feeling knowing that you can use fabric offcuts and old greeting cards to make beautiful jewelry. They're pretty lightweight, and that's what I mean by sustainability. And one of my most interesting crafts is also using our Ghanaian hand-painted glass beads. Now, these beads are actually made from recycled glass, and they are made by the local artisans in Ghana. Now, talk about giving employment to the youth. I buy the beads and I bring them here to Melbourne and I put them together with other interesting beads. These are examples. So I believe that anybody can craft as long as you can take advantage of fabric offcuts or things that otherwise will be thrown away. Reusing materials for sustainable, beautiful jewelry, make for beautiful gifts that people love. So, over to you. Do you want to start crafting? Do you want to use fabric offcuts or artisanal beads to help the local industries like I do, helping local industries in Ghana? I want to see your next craft.